Hey guys, it's Selene. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make zeppoles. Obviously I am not Italian, so if you are, feel free to leave a comment down below and tell me how bad I butchered this name. But the recipe is delicious. Zeppoles is an Italian fried dough. So good, and the best part is that you do not need yeast. This recipe does call for ricotta cheese, so if you're lactose intolerant, this is not the recipe for you. But and for those who are freaking out with the cheese, don't worry about it. It's not that strong. It has a nice texture. It's a very delicious recipe, and I'm happy to be sharing it with you all. You can pair it with vanilla ice cream, add some chocolate sauce. You can toss it in cinnamon sugar or powdered sugar. It is up to you. So let's go over the ingredients and we can begin.